Hello my dear friends, I'm Kirill and today I'd like to show you new LEGO Technic set 42164 Off-Road Race Buggy. This is quite small set, but it's not as small as this €10 bulldozer and similar sets, and in the same time this set is not so expensive as, for example, Bugatti 42151, and it could be interesting. Here we have usual set with functions, not a pullback set with only one function, but not so expensive as other big sets. So I like this new size of LEGO set, maybe we can say so, and this set contains 219 pieces according to the official LEGO website. And inside the box we have two small instruction books, pretty big sheet with stickers, and 4 plastic bags with pieces, and 4 tires of two types, too wide and too narrow, like in bigger sets like Bugatti 42151 and similar cars, and it's cool that we have these tires in smaller set. The building process is divided into 2 stages. You can see pieces from the first step. Here we have one shock absorber with soft spring, this strange yellow color like in helicopter 42145, 2 gears, 1 gear holder, and no long beams at all. This is our buggy after the first step. The model has very interesting geometry and will have some interesting functions here. The model has one-wheel drive, but for model consisting out of 200 pieces it's okay to my mind. But what it's not okay, that this engine mounted really badly. You can see, yeah, it has no proper connections. It's okay for mocks, but not for official model to my mind. The second step also contains a lot of blue pieces, including 2 blue panels and also some panels in this strange yellow color, 2 7-stud long beams with perpendicular holes, and 4 wheels, 2 usual white wheels in black and 2 narrow wheels in blue color. For the first time we haven't seen these pieces in blue color yet. So this is our car, and it looks really nice to my mind, and I think it looks without stickers even better, because here we have one more additional color, a lot of small elements. Now without stickers I think it looks really stylish, and it has a lot of functions, I can say. The first function is working 4-piston engine. The car has one-wheel drive. It's a nice function, but the engine has no proper mounting points, but it's maybe okay for a car of this size. Anyway, it's cool additional function. The first function is steering, and it's realized not like in many other Technic cars. Actually, in LEGO Technic I haven't seen this system for many years. I remember black and red car, I don't remember the year, but it was definitely more than 20 years ago, and there were some similar sets in LEGO City. This mechanism was realized by using special pieces in that sets, and it works really nice. I like this system, and the system is very interesting. Here we have a parallelogram, but the upper and bottom rotation points are shifted 1 stud along the long axis of the car. You can download the official building instruction for this set and create this mechanism and check how it works, because it's not so easy to describe in words how it works, but yeah, it works really smoothly and I like the result. And here we have one more function, or actually 2 more functions. The rear suspension shock absorber here, and because of this tricky steering mechanism, the rear axle has actually very interesting degree of freedom. We can tilt it, we can use shock absorbers range. And one more function, actually this car has opening doors, but it doesn't make sense actually. It would be better if these panels were shifted forward, but in this case they will start to touch front wheels. It's kind of trade-off, and anyway it's good that we have here additional pair of panels, additional connectors for this function. The more functions the better to my mind. So in general I really like this set, very nice car for 16 euro. Please share your thoughts about this buggy below the video. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!